The blue whale is the largest animal ever known to have lived on Earth. It can weigh as much as 200 tons and grow up to 100 feet long. The largest land animal, male African elephants, can weigh between 5 to 7 tons. Slightly smaller than its African counterpart, male Asian elephants typically weigh between 4.5 to 5.5 tons. The heaviest of the 5 rhinoceros species, a large male, can weigh up to 2.3 tons. Giraffe, the world's tallest animals, can also be quite heavy, with mature males weighing up to 1.3 tons. Hippopotamus, a semi-aquatic mammals, can weigh between 1.5 to 3 tons. Whale shark, the largest fish in the world, it can weigh up to 22.7 tons and reach lengths of 39 feet. Southern elephant seal, the heaviest of all seals and sea lions, a large male, can weigh up to 5 tons. Saltwater crocodile, the world's heaviest reptile, large male saltwater crocs can weigh over 1 ton and grow up to 23 feet in length. Brown bear, among terrestrial carnivores, the Kodiak bear stands out, with large males weighing up to 1,500 pounds or more. Tiger. Tigers are the largest species of the cat family. They love to swim and are very good at it. Polar bear. Polar bears have black skin under their white fur, which helps them soak up the sun's warmth. They're also great swimmers. Cow. Cows have 4 stomachs and they spend about 8 hours a day eating. Their mooing sound can be different depending on their mood. Horse. Horses can sleep both lying down and standing up. Also, they have the largest eyes of any land mammal. Rabbit. Rabbits have long ears which can be as long as 4 inches, 10 centimeters. They help them hear and also keep them cool in hot weather. Sheep. Sheep have very good memory. They can remember at least 50 individual sheep and humans for years. Elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals. They have long trunks which they use to pick up things, drink water, and even say hello to each other. Panda. Pandas spend most of their day eating bamboo, up to 14 hours a day. And they have extra strong jaw muscles for all that chewing. Wolves. Wolves live in packs, or big families, and they howl to talk to each other. They can hear each other howl up to 6 miles, 9.6 kilometers, away in the forest. Red panda. Red pandas use their long, bushy tails not only for balance, but also as a blanket during chilly winter nights. Dinosaur. The word dinosaur means terrible lizard. But not all dinosaurs were big and scary, some were as small as chickens. Cheetah. Cheetahs are the fastest land animals. They can run up to 60 miles per hour, 97 kilometers per hour, but only for a short distance. Deer. Deer are very good jumpers and swimmers. Baby deer are called fawns, and they have white spots on their coats that disappear as they grow up. Dog. Dogs' sense of smell is between 10,000 to 100,000 times more powerful than humans. There are more than 340 different breeds of dogs around the world. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe Toddler University on YouTube.